Hi, just a short video to show this Dyson V8 Absolute. It's in perfect working order. The brush head, I've taken this apart and completely cleaned it and put it back together again. Comes with a brand new replacement battery charger, an elbow, a crevice tool and a combination tool. The brush is a little bent, but it's only for cleaning. Comes with the wand. It does have scratches on it, as you can see. There's just surface scratches in the main unit. The filter's been cleaned, the head's been cleaned, the bin's been cleaned, the filter's been cleaned, and it has a brand new 6000 mAh battery. Just for this listing, this battery's brand new. I'll just basics of it. Plug it in to charge it. Here the lights will come on and go off when it's fully charged, 5 to 6 hours. Switch on the top, left economy mode, right maximum mode. You tell the difference in sound. When you have it on max mode, it reduces the battery life significantly. To empty the bin, hold it above a raised container, pull the red handle on top, the bottom will open. I'll show you as such. To close it back up, push the top down like so. I'll just put it together for you to show it working. So it's a good, clean, full working order with a brand new battery. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.